Hello, my name is Gigon. Abnian Saise, Hornbill TV. Chief Secretary of Nagaland, J. Alam today visited Christian Institute of Health Sciences and Research and inspected the ongoing construction of new COVID-19 hospital. Deputy Commissioner of Dimapur, Rajesh Sondura Rajan, Chief Medical Office of Dimapur, Dr. Moatem Jain and Director of CIHSR, Dr. Sedevi Angami were also present at the site. After inspecting the construction, Alam said that he is very impressed by the work so far. He also said that the COVID building construction is expected to be completed in a matter of 3 to 4 weeks. Let's have a look at a detailed report from reporter K. Cristiano Giho.
Right now we are here at CIHSR Dimapur, and behind me you can see the new COVID-19 hospital construction. And today the Chief Secretary of Nagaland will be coming and inspecting on the new COVID-19 hospital. And not just that, but he'll also be giving us a press briefing on what he feels about the construction that is going on right now, and also when can we expect the full functioning of the COVID-19 hospital at CIHSR.
You already know the background under which this acute care hospital block was actually envisaged and planned. The work had started from 28th of June. So we are into the third month now. I am quite happy with the progress that is being made in a very short time. We were initially slightly skeptical that we will actually be able to do it so fast. But I am really happy. The entire government machinery who are involved in decision making and the people who are there on the ground who are supervising and monitoring the project and our partners implementing agency, I think they are working day and night, and we are now seeing that I think within a month, within the next 3 to 4 weeks, we should be able to inaugurate the hospital. I am told all the equipment etc. has already come, barring 1 or 2 major machines which are on the way. So it's only a matter of installation now. This 200 bedded facility being added to CIHSR will almost double their capacity. Similarly, we are also adding beds to Dimapur Hospital. Then there is another addition of 100 beds in the referral hospital of police complex, the Chumukidima. So on the whole, these 350 beds will be added to the hospital bed capacity in Dimapur. The facilities being provided here can be compared with any of the best hospitals in the country. I am told that the work is going on a 24-hour basis, and more than 200 people are already deployed there. So I think it should be possible to finish it within a month's time.
After inspecting the construction of the new COVID-19 hospital at CIHSR, the Chief Secretary of Nagaland in the press briefing stated that he is very impressed with the construction going on so far, and he said that the hospital equipments and the construction, if completed, can be compared to some of the best hospitals in Nagaland. He also showed his special appreciation to the aggregate team led by Dr. Sedevi and the engineers, both CIHSR engineers and the government engineers, and all the people who are behind the construction of the new COVID-19 hospital. And he also said that in a matter of 3 to 4 weeks, we can expect the completion of the COVID-19 hospital at CIHSR. I am reporter K. Cristiano Kyohua with camera person Johnson for Hornbill TV.